Hello, David here at MarineMax and Hopatcong. Today we are on a 2025 Harris 210 Sunliner. As you can see, I'm sitting in a very comfy high back helm chair in front of our helm with a Simrad dashboard, JL audio, wireless charger, RGB lighting. Other important features on this boat, of course, tri-tune with center log storage. Over here on the port side, we have a large entrance door that's handicapped accessible. We have our change house right here. It folds up neatly and gets out of the way. The upgraded floor under my feet. As I come back, you can see we have our single lounger. This is in a position to face forward. With ease, it goes to a 45, locks in, also goes all the way flat for a giant sun pad. Electric bimini above our heads and a Mercury 150 out back with the safety rails with bumper storage, fender storage. This boat is in our showroom, ready to be checked out. Come on down, we'll show you the rest of the boat.